Who is a leader? Is the leader somebody who leads people with his own mannerism, with his own charisma, or the leader is someone who is hailed by people as a good leader and he happens to drive his energy from all other people? So today, let me welcome you all to the session on leadership. Whenever we think in terms of good leaders, we are reminded of so many people in history. There have been people who, I should say, led a destructive life. They did certain inhumane tasks also, but they are not being considered as good leaders. So whenever we think in terms of good leaders, there are several images which flash across our brain. Gandhi emerges as a good leader. Abraham Lincoln emerges as good leader. So today we are going to learn what do we understand by leadership and what are the traits which are needed to be a good team leader. आइए आज के सेशन में हम जानेंगे कि अच्छी नेतृत्व क्षमता का किस प्रकार विकास करें और अच्छा नेता बनने के लिए क्या-क्या गुण होने चाहिए. So today we are going to understand what do we mean by leadership, what are the traits or characteristics of a leader, what are the responsibilities of a leader, because definitely everything comes up with its own responsibility, and then finally how to develop leadership skill among you. Professor Warren Bennis has remarked it very rightly. Leadership is a function of knowing yourself. अपने आप को जानने की क्षमता. Having a vision that is well communicated. वह एक दूरदृष्टि या सोच रखना और उसको सबको कम्युनिकेट कर पाना. गांधी had this vision that he is going to simply ask Britishers to leave our own country, and that was well communicated to all other people. Building trust among colleagues. So definitely you will have to fill your entire team members with that trust, with that spirit of cooperation, and taking effective action to realize your own leadership potential. So undoubtedly, having good decision-making capacity is also the primary trait of any leader. लीडर वह है, नेता वह है, नेतृत्व क्षमता वह है जिसमें कि आपके पास वो दूरदृष्टि और सोच हो, आप सभी कोलीग्स का ट्रस्ट अपने आप रख पाएं और आप इफेक्टिव एक्शन ले पाएं. आपकी निर्णय क्षमता, डिसीजन मेकिंग डेफिनेटली अच्छी हो. Let's understand what are the traits of a good leader. एक अच्छा लीडर बनने के लिए आप में किन किन गुणों का और किन किन विशेषताओं का होना ज़रूरी है. First one is leader is adaptable. Adaptable, one who is able to change himself as per the changing circumstances, as per the changing environment, and therefore a leader is the one who is able to modify himself as per the given circumstances. Second point is that the leader is vigilant. कोई भी अच्छा नेता या कोई भी अच्छा लीडर हमेशा विजिलेंट होता है. उसे अपनी सराउंडिंग्स का, अपने बारे में, अपने इर्द गिर्द लोगों के बारे में सारी जानकारी होती है. थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट अ लीडर इज एन एम्बिशियस पर्सन. एम्बिशियस, जो महत्वाकांक्षी हो, जो वह दूरदृष्टि रख पाए, जो उच्च उद्देश्यों के बारे में सोच पाए, जो उस लक्ष्य के बारे में सोच पाए जो शायद साधारण व्यक्ति नहीं सोच पाता. Assertive. A leader is always assertive in nature. He has his own point of view and he is able to put it across to multitudes of people. He has firm faith in his own belief. A leader is cooperative. Whenever anybody is in need of any kind of support, he is always extending that support. Leaders are decisive. अच्छे leaders, बहुत अच्छी नेतृत्व क्षमता वाले लोग वह हैं जो अच्छा डिसीजन ले पाते हैं. कई बार जीवन के बहुत सारे मोड़ पर आपको कुछ क्रिटिकल डिसीजंस लेने होते हैं और अच्छे लीडर्स की ये पहचान है कि वो ऐसे डिसीजंस को बहुत आसानी से ले पाते हैं. दे आर डिपेंडेबल. Other people can always trust on them and they never flout the trust of other people. They always try to accomplish whatever is expected of them. They are influential. They are able to cast their influence, they are able to cast that charisma, or they are able to cast that magnetism on all other people. They are energetic. सभी लीडर्स जो हैं वे बहुत अच्छी ऊर्जा से भरे हुए होते हैं, हमेशा ऊर्जा से लबरेज होते हैं. Persistent. The leaders are always persistent. They never accept their defeat. They are always putting their efforts to achieve more milestones for themselves, for their own countrymen, and for their entire nation. They are self-confident. They are full of confidence. They are tolerant of stress. They never get agitated with the increasing burden. They never get agitated with the changing circumstance. Rather, they are able to maintain that peace of mind. As somebody has said it very wisely, very nicely, that impulse is the negation of magnetism. अगर आप अपनी personality में वे चुंबकीय क्षमता रखना चाहते हैं तो आपको डेफिनेटली अपने इम्पल्सेस से गाइड नहीं होना चाहिए. सो अ लीडर इज़ वन हु नेवर गेट्स ड्रिवन बाय हिज ओन इम्पल्सेस and he is never impulsive in nature. A leader is also responsible. उत्तरदायित्व लेने की और उत्तरदायित्व को वहन करने की क्षमता से भरे हुए हैं. Responsibilities of a leader, because leadership always comes up with its own responsibilities. So the first responsibility is guiding or coordinating team members, because a leader always has a team. So how to incite even the team members, how to seek cooperation from them, how to orient them towards more performance, how to seek work from them, everything is being managed by a dutiful leader. Provide structure for team. So a leader is the one who is going to come up with mission and purpose of that particular team. He is going to clarify roles and responsibility. लीडर वह है जो अपनी टीम के सभी सदस्यों को उनसे क्या उत्तरदायित्व की अपेक्षा है, उनके कार्य क्या क्या होंगे और कार्य प्रणाली क्या क्या होगी, उन सभी के बारे में बताते हैं. Clarify working methods. So a leader is one who is going to acquaint other people with the procedure or the method which everybody is supposed to follow. Focus on performance. So a leader has always his gaze on the performance of other people. If there is somebody who needs motivation, he is always extending that motivation. If there is somebody who needs persuasion, he is always ready to persuade him. If there is somebody who needs some kind of reprimanding, even the leader is ready to do that. So with his own tricks and with his own mannerism, he is able to seek work from other people. So all these are responsibilities of a leader. Now let's understand how to be a leader, because आप और हम सभी अपनी नेतृत्व क्षमता का विकास करना चाहते हैं, हम सभी एक अच्छे लीडर बनना चाहते हैं. तो आइए जानें कि किस प्रकार आप एक अच्छे लीडर बन सकते हैं. नंबर 1, थिंक सर्व लाइक अ रोल मॉडल. ऐसा सोचिए और उन लोगों को ध्यान में रखिए जो एक खुद अच्छे लीडर हैं, क्योंकि जब आप उनकी बायोग्राफी पढ़ते हैं या जब आप उनके जीवन के विषय में कुछ ज़्यादा जानते हैं तो आप उस दिशा में अग्रसर हो पाते हैं. Second point is use an appropriate leadership style, because every occasion, every activity needs different kind of leadership style. Sometimes you have to be autocratic leader, sometimes you have to be a democratic leader. So depending upon the existing circumstances, you will have to choose an appropriate style and you will have to opt for that particular style. Third is opt for effective communication skill, because एक लीडर, अच्छा लीडर वह है जो अपने सभी लोगों के साथ में, अपने सभी टीम मेंबर्स के साथ में बहुत अच्छे से संप्रेषण कर पाए. Exercise better judgment. They always have the capacity to take up a particular decision, and they always have the capacity to judge everybody in an upright manner. कोई स्थिति हो उसको भी वो बहुत अच्छे से सोच पाते हैं. जहाँ तक लोगों को समझने की क्षमता है उसमें भी वो बहुत अच्छे हैं. सो ओवरऑल दे हैव वंडरफुल इंटरपर्सनल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, वंडरफुल इंटरपर्सनल I should say traits, and they are able to exercise it well. Improve knowledge and skill. A good leader is one who is always ready to increase, to foster his own knowledge. एक अच्छा लीडर वह है जो हमेशा अपनी स्किल और अपनी नॉलेज में आगे बढ़ना चाहता है और उस पर और अधिक कार्य करना चाहता है. दे ऑलवेज एनकरेज क्रिएटिविटी ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ अदर पीपल. दे ऑलवेज आर लुकिंग फॉर क्रिएटिव सॉल्यूशंस एंड दे एक्सपेक्ट द सेम क्रिएटिव सॉल्यूशंस फ्रॉम देयर ओन टीम मेंबर्स. A good leader is always passionate and positive. एक अच्छा लीडर वह है जो आशावादिता से भरा हुआ होता है और जो हमेशा हर क्षण के लिए उत्साहित है, जो कभी भी निराशा में नहीं जाता और अपनी टीम को भी आशा से परिपूर्ण रखता है. Motivate followers. So a leader has the characteristic of motivating his followers. So in order to be a good leader, you will have to motivate your own followers. You simply cannot have a blind eye towards them. You will have to always work so that they are walking along with you. Offer reward and recognition, and a leader is also the one who is offering people reward. Whenever they do something good, he is always complimenting them. वह हमेशा उनकी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए उन्हें कॉम्प्लीमेंट देते हैं और उन्हें अधिक से अधिक उत्साहित रखने की कोशिश करते हैं. So by now, I hope you have been able to understand the traits of a leader, the responsibilities of a leader, and how to be a good leader. So wish you all the best on the journey of being a good leader. Happy leadership skills to you all.